Hi, I'm Alnur. This morning I've made a loaf of bread. So my Rotli experiment didn't turn out as well, but oh well. You know what? Each to their own. The taste was still good. I wanted to ask you, do you like to follow recipes to the T? I don't. My niece makes amazing Elchi naankhatis, and I was given her recipe, so she has precise measurements, precise timings in the oven. She calls for 1/18th of a teaspoon of a particular ingredient, and then her baking temperatures are 450 degrees for 22 minutes, and then 218 degrees for 8 minutes, and then I'm kidding. The thing with this is that, with all of these exact measurements and precise ways of doing things, I get lost. My good friend Sophie gave me a recipe for a no-knead artisan loaf, and it called for 3 cups of flour. And what I did was that first time I made it, I added 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of white flour, and I coated it with sesame seeds. It was amazing. Second time I made it, I took out a little bit of the batter and I added a few seeds and raisins and nuts, and it was delicious. Also coated it with sesame seeds. This time I've decided to put walnuts, dried cranberries that I'd soaked in hot water, and dried pineapple, some sesame seeds, walnut seeds, pumpkin seeds, as well as sunflower seeds. And it is looking beautiful. Have a look. Oops, there we go. I'm about to dig in with my chai, and I've also made some melted butter with cinnamon and honey. Well, thanks for watching and being a honey. I'm Alnur.